the peace of mind you deserve, why insurance is your secret weapon. Let me start with something honest. Nobody really enjoys talking about insurance. Most people avoid the conversation because it feels uncomfortable. It feels like paperwork. Another bill, something we should deal with later. We'd rather talk about vacations, business goals, investments, or retirement dreams. But here's the truth. Ignoring risk doesn't remove it. It only leaves you exposed to it. After working with many individuals, families, and business owners, I've learned something powerful. Insurance isn't about expecting the worst. It's about protecting the best parts of your life. Think about what it took to get where you are today. The long hours, the sacrifices, the discipline, the risks you took to build stability. Your home, your savings, your business, your children's future, you built all of that intentionally. So why would you leave it unprotected? Insurance is not just another bill. It is a financial shield. It's the firewall between one bad day and years of financial progress disappearing overnight. Insurance is not an investment. It's not a savings account. Insurance is not about fear. It's about strategy. It is a risk management strategy. Every strong financial plan has two sides: building wealth and protecting wealth. Most people focus heavily on building investing in real estate, stocks, retirement accounts, or growing a business. But here's the reality. If you don't protect what you build, one unexpected event can erase years, even decades of progress. You've worked too hard to let one bad day take it all away. How insurance actually works in simple terms. Insurance is built on two powerful principles. 1. Risk transfer. Life is full of what-ifs. Some are small, like a broken windshield. Some are life-changing, like a house fire, a lawsuit, or a medical emergency. Life is unpredictable, and you cannot control every outcome, but you can control who carries the financial burden. Instead of carrying that full financial burden yourself, you transfer that risk to an insurance company. You pay a small, predictable premium. In exchange, they take on the large, unpredictable risk and assume the catastrophic financial responsibility if that event occurs. That small monthly payment buys you stability, and stability allows you to move forward with confidence. 2. The law of large numbers, risk pooling. Here's the educational piece most people were never taught. Insurance works because of statistics. Millions of people pay premiums into one shared pool. Because disasters don't happen to everyone at the exact same time, insurance companies can use statistics to predict how many claims will occur. That predictability keeps coverage affordable. You're not trying to self-insure $500,000 on your own for a worst-case scenario. You're participating in a structured safety system where everyone contributes a little, so that when someone experiences a loss, the resources are there. You're never standing alone, hoping nothing happens. You're standing behind a system built to catch you if it does. Why this matters more than you think? There's one undeniable truth about insurance. It is the one thing you cannot buy when you actually need it. Once there's a diagnosis, once there's an accident, once there's a lawsuit, it's too late. The window closes. That's why insurance is proactive, not reactive. It protects before the crisis, not during it. Having it in place does three powerful things. 1. It protects your financial foundation. Your savings are meant for your future, not for paying off massive, unexpected debts. Without proper coverage, a single accident can drain your retirement account, force you to liquidate investments, create long-term debt, and set your family back years. Insurance prevents one event from forcing you to start over from zero. 2. It protects your income, your greatest asset. Most people insure their car. Many insure their home. But your most valuable asset is your ability to earn an income. Disability insurance, life insurance, and business protection policies secure the cash flow that supports everything else in your life. No income means no financial plan. 3. It protects the people you love. Life insurance is not about death. It's about continuity. Mortgage payments still have to be made. Children still need a college education, and tuition doesn't disappear. Daily family expenses continue. Life insurance is your way of saying, no matter what happens, I've got you covered. Your family's standard of living does not collapse during an emotional crisis. That is leadership. That is responsibility. That's love in financial form. Understanding the layers of protection. There are the have-to-have policies, the essential protections most people must carry. Auto insurance, required by law. Home insurance, required by lenders. Business and commercial insurance for business owners. Surety bonds and errors and omissions coverage for licensed agents and professionals. These are foundational. Then there are the want-to-have policies, the strategic protections. Umbrella insurance for higher liability protection. Disability insurance to protect income. Long-term care and final expense insurance for the elderly and retirees. Life insurance for anyone who wants to protect their family. The difference between basic coverage and strategic protection is planning. Real financial planning isn't just about avoiding disaster, it's about enabling ambition. The ultimate benefit of insurance is freedom. Here's what most people don't realize. When your foundation is protected, you live differently. You have the freedom to start businesses with confidence, to invest strategically and with discipline, to change careers boldly, to build wealth without the constant fear of losing it, to have bigger dreams. True financial freedom isn't just about having money. It's about knowing that one event cannot destroy your progress. Insurance is not about living in fear of what might happen. It's about having the freedom to build a life without fear. That is the real peace of mind you deserve. Let's make a plan together. Insurance shouldn't be confusing, and it should never be one size fits all. It should be a custom-built shield designed around your income, your assets, your liabilities, your goals, and your family's future. If you're not sure whether your current coverage truly protects you, that's okay. Clarity is the first step toward confidence. I offer a free, friendly consultation to review your current protection plan and identify any gaps. The main goal to build security and make sure what you've worked so hard to build stays completely protected. If you're ready to strengthen your financial foundation and gain the peace of mind you deserve, let's talk. Your future is worth protecting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful insurance-related videos.